Hi. In just a moment, we will practice a pranayama technique or breath exercise called Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. The Sanskrit word nadi translates to channel, and shodhana translates to purifying. So ultimately, what we're trying to do is purify the energy channels that run through the body. The Pingala nadi runs through the right nostril and governs the left side or left hemisphere of the brain. When energy or breath rather is flowing through this channel, then it stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, which is energizing. Therefore, this side symbolizes the sun. The Ida nadi runs through the left nostril and governs the right hemisphere of the brain. When breath is flowing through this side, it stimulates our parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest mode. So this is associated with the moon energy. Ultimately, we are trying to create a sense of balance, a sense of harmony between both energies so that we're not too far on both ends of the scale. This exercise is really great to do before meditation to find a state that is relaxed yet somewhat alert, and a great exercise to do before going to sleep to kind of calm the body and to calm the mind. So for this exercise, make sure you're in a comfortable seated position. I'm choosing to sit on the floor on a cushion, but you're more than welcome to sit in a chair if that's more accessible to you. And I would recommend if you're doing that, you plant the soles of the feet to the floor and you're going to be scooted a little bit more forward. So you're supporting your own spine versus slouching back into the chair. So take your index and middle finger between the eyebrows at the third eye space just to create some stimulation there. You don't have to push very hard, just a little bit of light pressure. Then take your thumb to your right nostril and your ring and pinky to the left. Close your eyes. And keep in mind, if your arm that's lifted gets tired, you can use the other arm to support it. So just taking your hand to that lifted elbow. Now, as you close your eyes, fix your gaze right in between the eyebrows at that third eye space where you are stimulating with your fingertips. First, breathe in through both nostrils. And then breathe out through both nostrils. Now close off the left nostril, and you can press just below the bridge of your nose where you don't have to push super hard, but where you still get to close off that side. And then breathe in through the right. Breathe out through the right. Close off the right. Breathe in through the left. And then breathe out through the left. Good. You may already notice an imbalance between those two. Now we will alternate. So close the left. Breathe in through the right. Hold at the top. Close the right. Breathe out through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale out the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale out the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale out the left. Keep going at the same pace. Take one more cycle of breath, inhaling through the left, exhaling out the right. And if you needed to do an extra one to complete that cycle, go ahead. And then release both hands to your legs. Come back to breathing normally. Sense the inflow and outflow of the breath. Sense how your body feels, the mind, and if the breath has changed at all. And as you're ready, gently blink your eyes open.